15-day Decentraland is the plan, the challenge. Day number 3, let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Doing my research, Decentraland to host the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, and that's going to begin March 24th. And this is just information about this. I'm a big fan of Decentraland. One reason why I wanted to throw this in the challenge, and it's Captain Spreadsheet, and this is day number 3. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, Decentraland, we've been getting this on Coinbase.com. Click on the link below. Learn about Coinbase, get a free account, and maybe check out Decentraland. Okay, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get Decentraland, and this is what we've been doing. We've been swapping out other things like Ethereum to be able to do this. So when you log in, this is what I'm doing. I'm converting. I had some Ethereum. So what I'm doing, I am taking Ethereum, still have $400 left in the Ethereum, and I have some in USD as well. So I'm going to swap out more Ethereum for Decentraland because that is the plan. So I'm going to do $200 worth. And let's go ahead and do this. Ethereum for Decentraland. Why? Hey, listen, I'm doing my research and I'm looking at things like this. It's the first ever virtual world owned by its users. And to me, Decentraland is definitely one of the top metaverse projects out there. And why not continue to adding more to your position? So I'm going to get 58 and shout out to Hector AB. His name is right there, of creating the Captain Spreadsheet. Well, at least updating Captain Spreadsheet from what it was. So we get 58.45, 58.45, and we're gonna follow the same process here. $2.06. We got $200, so we actually getting it a little bit higher than we did yesterday, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and convert that. Did it convert? Okay, let me go ahead and convert this. Decentraland is the plan. Okay, let me see here. We're gonna do $200 worth of it. Preview this, and let's see how much we'll have left. We'll have about $200 left in Ethereum. Convert this over, and this time it will go ahead and go through. This is the Captain Spreadsheet. So our goal is to get 1,000, and we only have 146 at this particular time. We would like to get 1,000 of this, and that is the plan. Let's see. Bought first ever Metaverse event. Bought 58 more. So bought 58 more. Just a little bit of a note here. So you got 146. Our goal is 1,000. What we're gonna do is take this 1,000 and we're gonna go ahead and stake it on crypto.com. And so that is the plan, what we're going to do. So let's go ahead and click there. And now, voila, we have it. Some people are buying it and selling Decentraland. To me, I think it's just one of those things you hold on to, and we'll see what happens in the beginning. To me, $3.35, this thing can go up even higher in my opinion. So that's why we're buying it now, and we have a plan for Decentraland. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The 15-day challenge, day number 3 is in the book. I'll see you tomorrow on February 10th, 2022. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.